This is Bob Newcomb from OLLI at Cal State Fullerton. This is one in a series of video tips for you to learn more about the features on your iPhone or iPad. The subject of this video is to create ringtones in Garageband, which you can download for free from the App Store. The advantage of this method is it can be done entirely on your iOS device. If you need to download Garageband, be sure you have a few gigabytes of available storage. It is a very large app. To start, find and launch Garageband. Create a new song by pressing the plus, create new song, and new. Tap the plus and choose Instruments. Select any instrument. Press the grid icon. Tap the instrument icon twice and select Show in Tracks View. Now you are ready to pick your music to create the ringtone. Select the loop and search for your music. When you find it, tap it and drag the file to the workspace below your instrument. You are limited to a maximum of 30 seconds in a ringtone, so you must select the beginning and end of your ringtone segment. Drawing in the edges of the clip will trim it. Pinching in and out below the track will shrink and expand what you see in the workspace. Now to save it as a ringtone, select the down arrow, My Songs, select the song, press the share icon, and find and press the ringtone icon. Garageband warns you of the 30-second limit. Press continue and enter the name of your ringtone. Tell it to use the sound as a standard ringtone. Now let's go to the settings, sounds and haptics, and press your new ringtone to hear it. Now Bach will resound every time my phone rings. I hope you found this video helpful and you create ringtones that are perfect for you.